Kev G with a weather overview. How's it going out there? Hope you're enjoying your Memorial Day weekend. Here are your 1 o'clock temperatures on your Saturday, and we're well into the 80s to near 90 in a lot of places. And you have to go to the Connecticut coast apparently to find anywhere resembling upper 70s. Everywhere else appears to be in the 80s and making a run at 90. Even Montauk Point will do it for mid to upper 70s. But I want you to notice that this is today's temperatures as they are right now. And this is the expected high temperatures for tomorrow. Yeah, quite a difference. As the easterly wind takes over from the relatively cooler Atlantic waters, and it drops the temperatures some 25 to 30 degrees across the board for most places. In fact, the forecasted high temp that I looked at last time, when we last looked at the video, up around 70, doesn't really have much of a chance. Because of the fact that this easterly wind is going to make inroads starting late tonight, overnight, and continuing into Sunday. But if you look back to the west over inland New Jersey, it still makes a run at 70 degrees, but not anywhere near bodies of water. And unfortunately, I think tomorrow is more of a pessimistic forecast than I originally anticipated. And I wanted to share this with you and just make note of it in case that you had any type of plans for tomorrow, and you were wondering about where the aerial extent of the rain is going to be. So here we are. Here are the weather maps for right now, and it's relatively quiet. There aren't a lot of thunderstorm activity to speak of, but as we go through the day, some will bubble up in this hot and humid air mass. So I think between 8 o'clock and around 1 a.m. is the best time to see any type of activity. This particular model, which is the NAM 12 kilometer, is not really seeing much in the way of activity. That's not to say that you shouldn't look out for an increase in chance of showers and thunderstorms after 7, 8 o'clock tonight. That's when the front is going to make its closest approach. But as we go through the day on Sunday, what's going to happen is that front is going to sit awfully close to the tri-state area, and waves of showers are going to develop. And they're going to be pretty numerous from the looks of the models right now, so that by the time we get to around 10, 11 o'clock in the morning, these showers are pretty consistent, especially over southern New Jersey, Delaware, and Maryland. When we get back toward the New York City area and Long Island, it looks like the shower activity wants to be confined more towards the coastal plain. So as we go through the afternoon, we notice that the showers are pretty much confined to the coast, while when you go inland, further up the Hudson Valley, not as much activity because they're not as close to the frontal zone. So all in all, kind of a crummy day along the south-facing shores and in the city proper and along the southern Connecticut coast. And then we'll dry things out for Monday, and it looks better as we go through Weather Underground and they take a look at their point and click. Still too high for tomorrow, it looks like, and they're advertising mid-60s. I think it'll be closer to 60 along the coast and in the metro area. Monday, just some leftover clouds with that threat of rain diminishing even along the coast. So a day late and a dollar short, but not a terrible Memorial Day. And then we warm it up for Tuesday and Wednesday, especially Tuesday, with highs getting close to that 90-degree marker again. And then clouding over for Friday. We'll have to see about any late week rain troubles. But no doubt, sort of a mixed bag this weekend for your Memorial Day weekend. Definitely not as rosy a picture as I had envisioned, especially along the coast. But get out there today and enjoy that sunshine and the summer-like temperatures, because tomorrow is going to be a big difference, especially along the coast.